What's up, yo?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, one more right around the corner. Yeah, he's right about me. Fuck. Keep looking at the name and thinking it's red. I'm still not used to seeing you with that name.
Oh, entonces no, muy bien. What the hell?
Almost. Oh, come on. Nice.
Still work.
Look at to.
Yo.
Alright, I think I'm ready this time. Last time. What the? Cool.
They're at the spawn. At the door. Door at our spawn. Going from B. Yep. That way. They're pulling up right now. On your right, Ian. On your right, Ian!
Let's go out. That sounds like reckless. Oh shit, we have 2 kills, bro. Why is a motherfucker? Sorry. Damn.
Thank you. He said to stop laying down, so there you go. Oh, they left. Why?
Damn.
Yeah, right.
Y'all joking, right? You're joking, right? No.
Is that A site? A site.
And the bomb is on A.
Oh wow, love it. 7,000.
Oh,
Ooh.
nice spaceship. Damn, what the hell? Half of your body's under the ground.
I can barely hear you.
I say half of your body was under the ground.
Oh, right side by the box truck.
Kaya may pabulong. Pabulong lang ako.
That was almost a double team kill.
What the hell am I looking at?
I would have laughed so hard at that.
I timed it perfectly.
Bro, I was sleeping the whole match. Cause I got 0 kills.
I can tell.
Yep. Finally, I got 1. I got 2.
Faded.
That's my first match. I'm gonna keep up the next one.
GG. Bro, you got shitty emotes.
The fuck?
My dancing emotes. Oh, heck yeah. God, pass just so he can have better emotes.
One went to A.
Yo, I know this dude. Mythical Norse.
Oh fuck, one more
Who else
A.
is on his team?
Yellow building.
Eh? Wait, wait!
Oh! What the? Alright. What's up, kid? A moose. That's a nice gun.
Oh, you beat me to it. Oh no, I got it. Hey.
बैक पे कर रहा हूँ, बैक पे कर रहा हूँ।
Right on my body.
Fuck. Wrong corner to walk around.
Alright. Damn. This freaking dude. I don't go ahead. Comeback season, bro.
Okay, I see. Call it out. I'm rushing in.
One went left. I got one.
What? He's on the spawn.
Their bomb is right here. Right here. Wait! I am so sorry.
What? It's in the yellow building.
I'm sorry.
Yellow building.
Their bomb's on me.
A building. Blue trailer.
A building?
Went
Why
around
are
the
they
backside
there?
towards
Their
A.
bomb is right here.
I don't know. I was trying to go up the ladder. I was gonna crawl on the tower and see if I couldn't spot him. He shot me halfway up the ladder.
MTC's nearly dry. Get serious, Crimson.
You should tumble you.
That's a good one. Opito.
You can still tongue punch my firebox later. So you are gonna tongue punch my firebox?
Let the other guy do it.
Well, that's not fair. I was ready.
I'm gonna let your dad lick my butthole first.
Oh, that's
My
a
dad.
chat thing. That's a
Guys, he
chat
says he's gonna
thing.
make my dad do gay stuff.
It's okay. That's you. That's not us.
Yep, all you,
We
buddy.
can't let that be
I
happening.
mean, I believe the phrase here is the law of the biggest.
Hey, there's one.
Ah, damn. Oh.
That B-bomb by the treehouse. Yep, right above you to the right.
Oh, what the fuck? I just laid there to dead.
Take that back.
Oh!
Oh
Oh!
What a waste
Fucked
of
around
heart.
and
I
found
heard
out.
sorry gays.
Found him. What you talking about?
What a straight. Look at this straight over here.
My bad, gang.
I remember my first fucking straight.
Alright, now it's a new game.
Y'all, I don't know what that means.
What happened?
Two got left. Two at A.
They're in the top of a house.
Yeah, they
Son of a Connie.
1v1.
Oh no.
Oh.
That ain't no
Okay.
me, did he?
Okay, that's nice. I mean, that's disrespectfully nice.
I agree.
Look at that mustache.
Remember, what is Sorrow? Yeah, that's Sorrow. Or Nacho Libre or something.
I'll let you be my nacho leap.
Fuck you.
One mid.
Okay, P's left.
Oh, what? Ooh, fuck
On top of our spawn.
Behind you. Oh.
Start with pitch.
UV3.
Oh, wow.
Back out.
Wow, they finally made it.
Shot his buddy in the fucking head.
And like a new loadie. Yeah, we still can come back on that, y'all.
So we gotta pick up the team. So squad.
Alright. What
coming
the
to me
hell
soon.
happened, bro?
Shahi. Right there, right there.
He's AFK.
It's alright, you got this.
Why you say that? Oh my goodness. Dang, he's on the card.
Are you blocking my shot, right?
Backside of A.
Okay.
There's two lined up for me. Not my fault you lined up.
Alright, Ken, come on, y'all. Defend the area. We'll be alright.
Tunay ka naman. Tunay ka naman.
Fucking campers. They're just laying around every fucking corner. I think I'm pretty much done.
Spiral.
Tattoo. One of the tattoo coming to the middle person.
What?
Oopsie. Good fight. Nice fight.
Nice.
Ooh, I ran by him.
You're weird, bro.
AC, put it down, please. You got it, AC?
Oh! Are you? Oh, bro, what the hell? That's fast. Alright.
Camper.
Enemy charges set.
They're calling out already.
Maybe.
Uniqlo A site. Our spot. Go. Go, 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 go. Just 15 seconds. Where?
Right there on top. Left side, right side, right side. Right there, right there.
Yeah.
Look at you saw.
Next time, next time.
Nicely done.
Oh, fuck it.
GG's.
Jeez.
Alright, GG.
GG's. Yeah.
Touch grass.
You know that was the the simp getting mad.
We're getting back. We're gonna get it back.
Andrum.
Yeah, right.
Harap tandaan ka pa mo.
What is that? A room? Unroom. Oh, on room. It's like sleeping with
Androm,
you.
yes.
Sleeping with you is on room.
What?
But
Is that what it means in your
Wait.
language?
yeah, but you separate
Oh, that's
on and room into different
Oh,
ones.
that's crazy.
It's like two words. On room.
Well, this is
It's
one
like,
word. Androm. It means ass.
oh.
Yeah, so you like sleeping with ass?
No, it's not two double R. There's no double R on it. It's just one R. Okay. On the room.
It's only one R in this one.
Oh shit. Well, I don't know. It's
Oh, what the
A-N-R-U-M.
motherfucker. Are you in? I can't feel anything.
What the fuck? I spawned late. What the hell?
Run A, please. Run A, please.
Yeah, I got you. One sec.
One's over here.
Why A plant B?
Oh, we already A. Oh, yeah, he's in the yellow building.
Just go back into their spawn building.
Oh, one's in building 2 and one's at B coming to 2.
Shit.
You do right there, two of them.
Look at us
Oh.
missing all her shots. All his shots, yep. Very nice.
Yeah, her.
Behind you.
Yeah, her.
Oh, fuck. On the ball. You made me
Reloaded.
laugh.
Well, you laughing at your teammate trying to win. Like, look at you suck.
Why are you laying down in your
my.
spawn? That's weird.
He just spawned
No, he
in.
just spawned late. That's what happened. He spawned late.
Dumbass game, bro.
Cause he sucks in the chat.
Whoa,
Oh man.
whoa. That's a
He
trick.
misses both shots. Nah.
That's what the chat said. I didn't say it. It was in the text chat. Not me. Hold on.
Wait, the bitch thought we were talking to her. What the fuck? I didn't even notice she was talking.
I don't know what the fuck you
Please,
said.
Red, I'm not kidding you. What? No kidding.
What the
You
hell
do?
just happened?
Cái tôi đóng món này. Oh, what's that behind me? The what? Oh, in that building. That's one building. To your left. Behind you. Yeah. It's going to be container. Good run.
Thank you, red woman.
Okay, yeah.
Patron.
Told you back way, good try.
Thank you. For my service.
Oh, your service is free.
Watch out for the
You
grenade
looking for free
launcher.
service again, Santa?
Oh, that's cheating, bro. What the fuck is that? I'ma use the bird. Fuck that. First that. They ain't gonna get killing me. Hell no.
One a day. Just sitting back, fucking camping.
Hey, I'm camping too, quick.
3-5.
Garage?
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
I told you, free fire.
Andrum.
Okay, guys.
Why you guys talk shit
The
to?
one time I don't have my
do that
thermal
to?
smoke.
He hit the body at the bottom.
Oh, the Kenjin or something, yeah. I'm sorry, Kenjin.
Oh, he says kitchen.
Oh.
Oh, one went left.
Where?
Please don't look at me,
Can't see.
please don't look at me.
Oh, he's in the building left side.
Oh, it's in the truck. Oh,
I think their bomb is on B. Yep, their bomb is on B.
The bomb is on B.
Oh, bro, watch out. I'm coming in. Great woman.
Don't say it like that.
Oh, sorry.
What you say?
You're gonna
Come in,
get sent to
close.
all upside.
That's a
Sitting in
name
the
tag.
corner.
I just said a name tag. I didn't say nothing wrong, bro. That's the name tag, bro.
Which way are you coming? You coming from the back or the front?
I'm coming in hot.
Oh, we. Oh no, too close.
Oh, no. See? I'm not gonna keep dying on that stupid shit, bro. Well, I got the first blood. That's
Don't
what's
fuck
up.
me, fuck you. Come here.
Mid below tower.
Oh.
What the?
Yeah, watch out, I do that shit.
On the room to your right.
I hear
I'm
you.
late.
Plan A. Plan A. Trust me. Plan A. So he can run this way.
Oh, I got that.
Come here.
You got a grenade.
Thank you for coming.
All right.
Flip in my chair, bro.
What? Excuse me. Bye bye.
They were in the.
Glenn
They were in
texted, I
the
rush.
thingy.
What
I
is
should change
that?
it to like camp, yeah.
One got left. Got the one guy on the dive and he was screaming. That was fucking worth it.
Fuck, almost. Oh, I laid. Somebody killed him already.
Oh, in our spawn.
Oh, he's at construction.
Wait.
Left side of construction.
same-
Going B side.
Yeah.
Going B side.
The same dude over here.
Look at the he said B side, man. I'm sorry, bro. 1v3.
Pick up their gun and kill them with it.
Oh no, 1v1, sorry. Well, that's the gun that keep killing us. No, it's not killing me
Shoot
no
this
more.
launcher. You know, UAV for one person in the blue building. See your left window.
How do I shoot a launcher with this?
You gotta change your bullet.
Yeah.
There you go.
No
You got
ammo.
no ammo for it. You fired it already.
He's
a
doing
noob
this.
trooper from the start.
Yeah.
Make sure you change back. Oh yeah, make sure you get your.
Bro had no launcher rounds in it.
Yeah, he had no launcher left.
He used it in the beginning. That's why.
Using launchers in Surge?
I mean, I picked up your teammate's gun, so ask him.
It
was a gold
probably
one.
your teammate's gun. None of us
It
have.
was your teammate because I killed his body and then picked it up. But okay. Yeah, it
What are you
was.
talking about? That's his teammate using that gun.
They've been noob tubing the whole fucking time. They want to sit there and say
That
they
was
haven't
it.
been.
The dude said that. The dude that was talking.
The one that said
was
diamond?
just-
No, that's the same
He was
one.
insulted.
Yeah,
I said
fucking-
gold. I said gold for a reason to see who would admit it.
Oh, on top, on top. Top mid. Nice. Oh, another one. Look at his body just crouching over there. Another one, reckless, run! Should have sat in the other corner.
Right.
Go, push it. You got two up.
Bubble.
Nice. Spray his body, spray his body. Spray his body, make him come after you. You hit him, to your right. saw the whole clip.
Sorry, bro. I need to win. I lost twice.
3 times. You lost 3 times.
No, twice. I just joined twice, okay?
Run away, guys.
I think that's you, sir.
Let me tell you something. Don't milli me. We are. Who tried to milli me? Milli rock. Are you serious?
Hit mark on that one guy. Pop his head out.
Oh! On our spawn. Okay, right
shit.
there.
Fuck, no way.
He's up.
Fuck, he's on the stairs. Container.
Right there on top.
No, he's not.
Building
he's right
3.
here.
Building 3.
Oh, he's at the top.
Oh,
that's a building I'm
they're going to
talking
be
about.
right now.
Nice. Nice. One more. Wait, woman. That's the name that's something that I just, you know.
What?
Just their name tag. No, I think
From
that's
Game of
just their name
Thrones.
tag, you know. Not something offensive, you know.
Why they mad?
What's from Game of Thrones?
Her name or something.
Who?
The Red Woman.
Oh! Oh, why shooting a face? Fuck all that. Hey?
Oh, he finally learned.
I traded with the one guy on A.
One is on your left side, Santa.
Only me.
Oh, you killed him already, pressure. Yep, you got this 1v3. Fletcher, you're an elf and no longer Santa.
Oi, imagine me getting I get demoted by myself.
You got this.
Oh, you saw that?
Pick it again, pick it again.
Oh!
Ah, give it!
Whoa, bro! Whoa!
Nice.
You gotta
Give me a
change
fright.
over there. It's okay.
Something.
There's 2 or 1?
So I got shot by the back and then yeah.
You've been demoted to an elf?
Alright, let's get it. Come on,
Wait.
one more.
Somebody's an elf? I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. I'm too drunk
Santa's
for
no
this
longer
shit.
Santa. They're an elf?
Oh! Oh, you wanna be my elf?
Whoa, Nacho Libre. Come on now.
You can't own people in this day and age. That's illegal.
Unless they don't
Can
know.
own people? I'm not owning.
Well, yeah, unless they can't, you know, contact the police. One of them got to A.
Yeah, I got one. One's back spawn.
Ian, are you saying you want to be an elf?
No, I'm just saying, if you're gonna kidnap somebody, you gotta do it right.
Oh, I thought you were volunteering.
He
Oh,
was
come
there
on, guys.
pushing A. Pushing A. They trying to plant A bomb.
I like that plant that I rushed.
I rush and I get the bottom. 2v2. And room, use the MP and just sit there.
Oh, what the
Tell me how to play.
fuck? What the fucking marshmallow?
What's this? You gonna die.
Oh my goodness.
Right
there. The bomb is on. Yeah.
On me? Oh, yeah?
Yeah, go in the building. The grenade.
Oh my.
One more round. Just one more round.
Woohoo! Y'all having fun.
Okay, we are too. We're having a great time.
Awesome. Ho ho ho.
That's so awesome.
Oh shit, I'm still on call. What the fuck? Imagining. Oh my goodness, it
One
just
slipped
bounced back
A.
to myself. I'm coming.
I got one hit mark.
What?
Bombs on B, over here. Coming to B.
It's on top. It's on top of you, Litaku. Ginjin. Yeah,
Ligado na
what
Gaijin?
the hell?
One just jumped from the backside of construction towards B.
Oh, what?
Oh, one's in their spawn, yo. In their spawn right outside bathroom
3
doors.
versus
One
3.
on top
3 versus
construction.
3. No.
He's camped on top construction.
Oh, I got one. One's going to be lane.
1v2. Their bomb was at B. Oh, they picked it up. Oh!
Wow,
Ah,
you
what a
trying to
dummy.
disrespect you.
He must have thought that was
Narrowly
teammate.
avoided Diddy.
That are trying to diddy and he failed.
Can you smell that baby oil? I can.
Still a virgin? What? Oh my gosh.
Ugly force.
It's their bottom fragger.
Kill
You
him.
got this.
It's
you
on B
scared?
lane. Take grenade.
It's on A. It's in the middle. You see that? Oh, what the fuck? Fast, watch out.
20 seconds.
Oh my god, you made it,
They're at the
bro.
bottom for a
What
reason.
the fuck?
Level 1000.
Oh
GG.
my god. GG.
GG's, guys. I would have panicked.
Man, this party just stand up. The jicky 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 jicky.
Trying to assign my emotes that I got, but it's not showing.
Yeah, you got the ship.
I don't
Should
want
think
to
of
do it.
Meat mill?
It's
I
IRAR.
saw.
Oh, it's Nosferatu. They're definitely gonna bite you. Oh, they left.
Nosferatu.
Oh no, they didn't. No, yeah, it's Icy Nosferatu. They're still here.
Nosferatu.
They will
I'll
definitely
only
bite
bite
you.
if you ask.
Oh, shit.
You have to ask
I'm
nicely.
asking then.
Well, that's
Ooh,
IRAR,
they
not
ask
IRAR.
him. He roars while he bites.
Randy,
What the hell in hell do?
Left side, coming to our spawn.
I didn't even spawn in, did I? What the fuck? That was weird. My screen just stayed black the whole time.
Above.
Did you spawn in yet?
Well, like I guess it spawned me and I died before it even gave me
there,
control.
behind
I
you.
don't know.
In the corner, in the Jeep.
You're right.
To the right.
Right corner, the right corner.
Yeah, laying there.
You're in the middle.
What the fuck? Came up behind me?
He rotated. He was laying down right in front of you.
What the hell?
It feels like arm and leg or some shit.
I got 2 of them, so I'm in first place. Let's go, boys.
Wow, Randy.
I know, I'm doing good for once, right?
Take a picture of this.
Their front door.
They want a noob tube. I'm gonna break out the fucking LMG. Left side of the garage. Yeah, left side of the garage still.
It's slow right now. What the fuck? Trying to plan A. Oh, one's got a lot of his feet.
Dude.
Blue
Don't
strip.
get me started.
Dude, I'm loving Jesse Murph.
Dude, oh man.
He's
throw
doing a
her up on a
concert
wall.
coming up here soon in Seattle, I think.
Oh,
It's on
fuck.
a fucking Tuesday, though.
Okay, Google, who's Jesse Murph?
Just Google guess Jesse Murph.
Jesse Murph, blue strips.
Murph, Chissy, Murph, Murphy, Chissy.
One right side by the street and one in the middle. Yellow.
Oh, somebody's on our spawn.
Still camping back of their spawn, right side.
He's on our spawn, one. One behind you guys, y'all. Who killed me, bro? Is that my teammate? Oh no.
Like that shit.
Okay. It is, I guess.
Fuck. Those bastards. Don't you laugh at that, cocksuckers.
I mean, you were hiding the whole time over there. What the hell?
Hey, don't you be laughing, motherfucker.
I'm black as shit too.
Shut up. I just need 2 more kills for my chopper. Please help me. Cafe. Oh. 1 A, 1 A. Whoever pushed the A with me, yeah, good try.
Got the one behind the Jeep.
Why didn't you shoot him?
Oh, there's a second one behind the Jeep.
They were
Fuck.
both in your eye.
I didn't see that second one.
How about hit
He
your
was a
shot?
corpse.
Oh, he went to our spawn.
You kill him before.
He's at our spawn.
Who's in this?
He's in garage there.
One in the middle. Nice.
One's right next to me.
Nah, that's the last one. In the building. Oh, next to you on A. A Jeep.
Up top, up top.
Ah, good roll.
Good run, good run.
I thought I didn't kill you.
Oh, it's good.
How the fuck do you see anything with that shit? Holy cow! Gave himself a black eye with the fucking kick.
Taram pam pam.
I can see clearly, dude. The tail. What the that's fucking dang.
It's okay if he wants to do that. I've got something I can do right back. Keep in the house and Jeep fire.
Middle garage.
In the garage.
On their spawn. Nice.
Good call, boys.
Back spawn. In the house, bottom. Going up top, it's going up top.
Our house, their house.
House. That's that one. And the yellow one next to you, I see, yeah. Yeah, shoot the whole balcony. What's up?
Oh! Yo, how did he survive that? I gotta give him props on that one.
He's coming to you from garage side.
Hey, oh shit. Oh fuck.
Good run, good
Oh, I got my first kill. Let's go.
Coke for my bad.
Woo woo.
He got top good, easy.
Nosferatu.
Yeah.
He still has a crush on you.
I mean, I have that effect on people.
Would you
stop?
Would you
One look in the eyes, game over.
What did he call you?
Look in the knees.
Nosferatu. Oh yeah.
Oh, dude.
Must be a dwarf.
Sexual
Push it. I know you
magnetism
push
of a
it.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Oh.
One rush right side our spot. I see one already in our
Oh, left
spot.
side of the garage.
Oh, that wasn't nice.
Who was rushing? That was you, Chris.
Oh, I have a helo. Thank you.
Noise.
Nice.
Pew, pew,
Being
pew.
asked how you get a helo with 3 kills.
Don't be jealous. It's my amazing
Legit,
perks.
only 3 kills for you? You got a helicopter?
I did have 3
Oh,
kills,
she
yeah. But I only have
She
2
got objective
deaths.
points.
Yup, that too. And my perks, I have them teamed up, makes me earn stuff faster.
Oh, God.
You can buy.
Pew,
You
pew,
can buy
pew.
them?
Yeah.
Oh.
I did.
Wait, will you buy them in Mashley?
Yeah, I ordered them. And they ship it FedEx overnight.
FedEx is crazy. You fed your current partner, not fed your ex.
They will come up.
Ooh, cold-blooded.
Right.
Una.
Oh, put in.
You saw him.
You saw him.
He said.
Guys.
You wanna talk about it?
Let's not talk about it. No. No.
You
My
were
parents
by
are paying
yourself,
legit.
Hey, fuck that person. You should
Rush,
let
you
me
gotta
win.
take it easy on us. We're fucking new at this.
Why are you angry? Icy, go bite them. I wanted to bite them.
I mean, I wanted you to kill me, but not right
I
now.
just have a crush on Nosferatu, so I'm trying to like show off for him.
I got you. He likes Dr. Pepper.
Oh, Dr. Pepper,
Why
where
he
can I?
keeps-
For not to.
You're fucking hellbent on making this creepy, aren't you? If I have a
Whatever, I'm just
stalker,
trying to help my friend out, you know?
I'm telling you right now, if I have a stalker, you're paying for the short cost.
Oh, we're blown up. You're lucky. You're right, I see.
I am can't blow out your asshole. Ah.
Blah blah blah. What taking the bomb in that spawn is that right?
That's illegal for you, bro. Oh, I missed everything on the left side. Coming to the house. Yep,
Let him up the
coming
stairs.
up.
Oh, motherfucker!
Your footsteps were loud as fuck, my boy.
Oh, dude, I'm
That's
just
fucked
a fucking
up.
right down. I've been gooning this.
Gosh, yes.
I'm gonna finish. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. That's fraud too.
Gooning for
My toes are curling.
Damn, bro, he had an orgasm over your name is crazy.
Like I said, sexual charisma of a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Fuck. Hideout.
Polyforce.
Creepy.
Hideout. Alright, hideout, whatever.
They're all trying to add me now.
Who is?
Alright, you can
This is
accept
your
your
fault.
boyfriends.
I blame you.
Mr.
You
Popular.
can accept your boyfriends.
Can I have your number? Have it.
Done deal. Nice money. And sleep. Damn it, Daddy, go drink water. And then the match start already.
On crate.
Marie, get the water.
Aimbot.
I didn't even fucking see the other guy. Shit. Amy trying to get somebody banned.
Somebody says kill one. And I killed the
Sorry, I have to get my laundry.
Shit, I got called out. Yeah. One it be?
One's in bus.
Back up
One's in
top.
bridge.
Planting A. Oh, he's in a spawn.
I think you shoot on the spawn still.
He is in a spawn. Look at on your left. Look at the left.
Coming containers. Look at it. Jail.
I was gonna cry.
You're right.
My fucking aim sucks. Damn, I see everybody with gold tiger in this bitch. Whoa. I need to get my kilo gold tiger and I can't.
Nice, nice. Pretty easy.
So did they say they were gonna DoorDash you some Dr. Pepper, Ian?
What? That's some lazy.
Oh, all three of
move.
those weirdos tried to add me.
They tried to add you. Did you accept it? We're trying to make some new friends.
I don't want friends like that.
Why?
I don't need people that objectify me in my life. That's not
Another
fun
one bottom
for me.
left for this one. Yeah, down there, look at it.
You don't want people objectifying you.
Yeah, I'm a classy lady.
Classy lady is crazy.
Exactly. They were gonna send
And
you
that's
some
one
Dr.
B-side, and
Pepper
that's one
first.
B-side. You got 12. One's on the bridge.
She's getting mad. That's twice I've killed her now. I heard it in her voice that she was, oh my god. The tone of the last part of it was like she was getting frustrated.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hell no. Do no, no, no.
No, we're meowing. You're supposed to meow with us.
He said, I'm not a kitty cat, I'm a dog.
Really? We're noob tubing now?
Uh-huh. One's a container or what the fuck?
Bearded caveman.
Outside of the
I'm
boss.
sorry,
I saw him
sorry.
look at you.
Oh, what the?
They're in our spawn, yo. They're in our spawn.
I just saw one.
You're in their spawn. The last one's in their spawn. All the way in the back. Amy.
Yeah, she tends to push straight through to the spawn. Both times I've killed her, she was trying to push to our spawn.
You looking for them AFKs? Bit it
No, I
nice.
just ran there.
Not you.
I was AFK, see?
That's when you do your hell no FSM.
Hey, shut up, bitch.
Ew, why you mad?
Are you serious?
Which one was that talking?
Right now, bro?
I think that was the one at the bottom.
Serious right
wasn't
now?
The cheerleader for their team? Nah, I don't respond to team
Yeah.
mascots.
it? Team Sam.
You wallbanging bitch.
Oh,
One's
fuck,
at
they're
bus.
just sitting corners.
Yeah. They
Hard
scaredy cat
camping.
now.
Yeah, they
I
aren't
like how they
moving out
wait
at
till
all.
I can't say nothing back to say something.
Spray the body,
You
spray
can
the
call her a
body.
bitch.
Spray the body. Up. Last one's on B. Oh, yeah, you got to one at bus. Yeah, bus.
Ooh.
Back left. And behind you.
Hello.
Ooh.
There's a card forward.
Good girl.
Ew.
Yo, bitch. I got a SMG. Fuck it. I haven't used a SMG in a minute.
The funny part is his ego is so tied to saying something like that to somewhere in a random game.
Go K, pussy.
Yeah. Top bridge. Coming B window. You can do it behind you in the window.
One camp in the back of B.
One's sitting on the bus. Reckless, you pick the window, he's on the bus, right side.
Damn. Or left. Good try.
Just fucked up.
Oh, look, he's clearing his throat. That's crazy. He's got the cum stuck in his throat. It's crazy.
They got 4? Whoa, everybody chill out and
Oh my god. Oh my god.
chill the hell out.
Oh, she thinks she's self-important.
I mean, she can. She's up there. Just saying.
She's really not that good. She's just running to the back of a spawn. I just keep getting caught by noob tubes.
On A. And then bottom bridge. Holy. Bus. Just planted, there's a mine there, be careful. Defuse. Oh, yeah, time to defuse.
Oh my god, the fuck am I doing? My bad.
Game sucks.
Alright.
Everybody look away.
Oh, your aim. Aim sucks too.
Gonna be a quick break or Man, the fucking yeah.
Back of B. Oh, she's camping the top, watching back into B.
Bro, if I'm the last one, I'm dipping. Oh, I'm dipping.
Yeah.
Ain't no way I'm killing all of them.
What happened?
Oh, my game crashed. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry,
That's
guys.
crazy.
That's a lot, yeah.
Well, Family Guy Part 4 or something like that.
Well.
Oh, I would literally smack your mouth.
You wish you
Yo,
could.
eyeball. Oh, that's crazy.
What do you say, eyeball? Go ahead, say it to me first.
Oh, that's crazy. This guy has a mic that's in.
It's in his ass. It's really, you can hear it so loud that it's in his ass.
Holy fuck.
Jay, listen to it.
Beep.
Beep.
Beep. What did it say?
Beep.
Peep? Joanne, you're cutting out real bad.
Yeah.
Yo, let me get this.
Yo, turn that shit down, dude.
What?
Who voted for vote? That's crazy.
That's crazy.
I camp. Loaded in time this woohoo! Big man.
Okay.
Oh, it didn't even make it over. It's
No. Wow, they're running shotguns.
Oh, yeah.
Major
One
skills
top
right
kit.
there. Two in the middle.
Yeah. Top cat will come into the pool.
One's in mid,
Look at
one's
those,
on
you got
top
bomb.
hallway.
Oh, I forgot we were planting.
Cool.
2v1. Yeah. You don't just I camp, he said camp. Bomb defuse.
Typical bitch move.
For real. Is that better?
Go one shitty ass mic.
I should make a thermoscope loadout. Need one for this map.
Oh, they got a thermal. There's all palm trees. Look behind you.
Thank you.
You went through middle.
Two left. 2v2.
Yeah, one's a palm tree.
Very nice. Last one's
one's
at the
at
palm
A.
trees. Why?
Oh, hey.
I'll push in and check it out.
Oh, you gotta push.
Go in there.
Oh, yeah, top smoke.
Oh, but right side.
They're at the right side.
Yeah, he's back there.
Very nice.
So much fun.
Meow, 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 meow. I got the bomb. I'm gonna rush plant A. Please cover the top and also inside, please.
Oh, backside. Coming at the pool.
Oh, fucking me. Right there, another one on the stairs. Top. I did. Yep.
But thank you.
Now they're
I don't know
thinking
what
right
choking
now.
is, buddy.
Now they're thinking right now, like, damn, they're pretty good. Volley Force is pretty good, bro. You know what you guys thinking right now. Bro, Ox voice is so loud, I mute his ass.
Like loud and echoey. It's so loud it echoes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that kid's a screamer.
Of course he is. He sounds like his balls haven't even dropped. Bruh, Ian killed Ligado,
Come around
please.
backside. Oh,
Ian
line them all
killed
up for
Ligado.
me, boys.
Ian killed Ligado.
Nice.
They're gonna plant the bomb? No?
I mean, they all kind of lined up.
You don't need to make you squeak, boy. You're already squeaking. Your balls haven't dropped. You're squeaking right now. Where's your mom at? Where's your mom at?
I know where his
He
mom's
sounded
at, but he
offended.
call me daddy.
So
Run
hell
it, run
no. Ian, I'm gonna smack you.
What? I just spanked the whole team. Or most of their team. I think I get to smack talk a little bit, don't you? I really hope he's up where I just was.
Ooh.
Nice, kinda easy. Hell no, I didn't know, no.
You suck, boy.
They go.
I'm gonna go right back up there again. Let's see if they can push me out of that spot. How many of them am I gonna kill from that same spot? Same place I was last time. I go up in this left tower. I watched the two windows. So if all you guys end up pushing left, I shift to the right to watch the right side. Yeah, okay, I'm going right side. And they all ran out the right side. I killed all, like 4 of them on the right corner right here as they walked around. The other guy was just inside the window. They like all took the same path because they're trying to hold hands.
They
There's
don't
one
even
that
plant
truck
the
on
bomb.
One that truck on A. Look at them.
I got it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There, right there, right there. Did he? Oh.
Oh, one just looked at me, hard scoped me left side from B.
UAV up.
Oh yeah, left.
Yep, way back.
One's at the catwalk.
Oh, it's the multi kid. Somebody go get him. Get him
Yes,
hard
do
so he
it,
just
do
screams
it.
and throws his controller.
Look at those double tap.
Oh, look at you. You were supposed to. Oh, that's okay. You still got him with a knife. You probably screamed pretty good, yeah?
They all died. They all died. Why they leave? Why
they quit?
They leave?
Yeah, they quit.
Of course they did.
Bunch of baby
Not
cries,
surprised.
Like how we quit
Get out of my lobby.
Get out of here real quick. Alright, piece of charity.
Maybe
Go
his mom
crazy.
told him to turn off his computer.
Yeah, he started screaming too loud. Someone told him it was bedtime.
It's like, it's bedtime. I heard what you
He's
said.
still on
Go to sleep.
PS4. Yeah. UAV. Someone join just to lose.
Oh,
GG's.
thank you for not leaving. GG's.
The dude joined and he left. Neck and cheese. Oh look, it's the new top 3 people. Oi, what happened to the music?
I ain't been doing nothing
Andrum.
Since you've been gone away.
Oh, right side, he's in the doorway.
Got him.
Nice dodge.
Oh, he's under spawn. What the hell? Right where they spawn at. Bro, what the hell?
Wait, what?
Are you guys just playing for fun? Or you guys want a 1v1? It's on their spawn. Where they spawn at?
No, you're gonna cup it.
Almost, y'all. Almost.
Yeah.
Fix your aim, Andrew. No grenade.
One got left.
Yeah, just full. Got one. There's bomb. We got bomb. Bomb right here. On A. Grenade. Watch out my grenade in this one. Oh, hit Maka in this one.
That's me. You eat me, bro.
Oh, sorry. Hey, hit Maka, you.
Eat Maka me.
Hit mouse. Oh.
What do you say?
No, nothing. Just concentrate. Don't worry about anything.
To do what?
Concentrate.
Look at the one room. That's why you're at the bottom of the leaderboard.
Look at the one room.
Team killing, fool.
I can't hear shit with these motherfuckers talking.
I swear.
Shut up.
I swear.
Lay down.
Fucking bitch.
Bro, why is she mocking
Yeah,
me?
it's
She
all
sucks. Their whole team is losing.
She's over too. It's crazy.
I wasn't even talking to her.
Ragtime? That'd be my
Possibly,
guess.
obviously, right? Look at this. Shoot me one more time. I swear I'm quitting.
And spawn build.
That was left seven.
Oh yeah.
Ah! One's at B. To the left, Ian. Yep, in there. One's right there too. Two of them.
Yeah,
That's a different person. The one that shot me was different.
Oh, come on. You have
They're
that
both
coach
at
guy
B.
coming to the right of B.
One's in the back right, and one's on the left inside the door.
No.
Oh, wow. You serious?
I am so sorry.
No, then that is it.
Well, I'm so sorry.
Liam?
1 and 3.
And I say I'm sorry.
You're not saying anything.
Well, we say I'm sorry.
Oh, they didn't go to A at all. They all went B.
Yeah.
Beer construction.
Well, I'm ready for them. Let's go.
One's upstairs construction.
One down. Aw, she
Left one
mad?
upstairs.
No.
What? Like,
Oh.
game is funny.
Donut.
My god.
Come here, y'all. Let's make you play the game, man.
Oh, Andrum.
Let me to win one match. Okay.
No match. Pendejo.
I'm gonna be.
Sounds like we got at least 2 shooters a day.
Another one, Eddie. Andrum, you got one?
Yeah. I know someone's here though.
Well, that's friendly. Fucking stretch shooting arrows. think I just saw one hard scope me from the right side of B. Yep. Got him.
What's in the car?
Left side of B.
Fucking last stand. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh.
Two left.
Two left. Two left.
You always use your impact.
I hope they. Are you talking about my amp?
Yeah.
I love my amp.
You always use it at the wrong time.
What do you mean it was the wrong time? It was the perfect time.
Lucky you didn't die that one.
I like to call that chasing
How
for
about
cheeks.
UAB?
UAP? UAP? Okay.
UAB?
I got measles coming in the sky.
Meow, meow, meow.
Whoa, 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 woof, woof.
I'm not seeing any movement A side. Oh,
On
there's
the
one.
one.
Fuck. Guy got around the back. He's going spawn. B.
Got one in the back. Going to B side.
Oh, downstairs construction. He's going to B now.
Yeah. Bottom. UAP, UAP.
Rolling.
Oh,
On
right
B.
here on my right. On B bomb. Oh, hell
On
no.
my
You
mark,
ain't
mark.
spitting at our spawn. They're still there. They didn't move.
It's alright.
Right
They can
side
plant
of
the
B.
bomb. Get them a charity one.
I can move back inside.
I just want to end it.
Okay.
Anytime.
I got the bomb.
Uh, 25 seconds.
Oh yeah, in that spawn. Bombs to your left down there in the alleyway. Yeah, right there.
Nice
There we
shot.
go. GG's.
Hell no.
GG's.
Oh, do the no, no. That's fantastic, but no.
6-0, let's go. Nothing to say because you suck.
She can't say anything anyway, even though she said
they
the
got
top
real
she went
quiet real
negative.
Right? Everyone was waiting for her to say something.
Oh, the whole team went negative is crazy. Max level pussies.
I am.
Oh,
I am.
McDonald's
I'm,
Warzone.
I'm connected to the library. You know, it has a whole bunch of books and everything.
We
You
gonna
know,
play for
it's
your soul.
Hey, y'all watch out with her though, bro. She a little nice
text us.
snack though, right there.
Text
She a
us on
little
my
what?
friend
She a
list.
little what? She a little what?
She a little nice
Text us.
snack right there. You better watch out.
Oh, we gonna see. I swear to
Yeah,
God.
boy, watch out. Kim and get you, hey, yo, pulling your money out.
Never in life, Barb. I
Fuck
don't pay
no,
for pussy.
yeah.
Never in life.
Room. Oh.
Room.
On room. Ta-na-na-na-na. Oh, I load late. Okay. Oh, my grenade bounced back. Even worse.
Oh, I missed. One's in the kitchen.
Watching. That Maka kitchen is crazy.
Oh, how the fuck are they in our spawn?
They loaded
They
before
rushed.
us. Go up. 1v2. Big two. On the bomb.
Fucking reload.
Oh my thing, you can look through the window right there.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey,
Good try.
what's the right? Oh yeah.
Why you this nigga?
Sent to the gulag.
Good round.
Hey, these niggas sound funny. He's like,
I shot through the wall and hit that bitch spray. Killed myself. Ooh, nasty. Alright, Tofu Nation.
hey, yo, you
Let's
feel
get it.
to be my nigga? Come on.
Bro, I missed everything.
Please get him.
Tommy's in the back.
There's one in the living room still. I don't know where he went.
That kid's going on top. Yeah. Good round.
Close the hover. Close the
I'm gonna switch to
hover.
SMG. The
Hey, yo,
ADS on this motherfucker. Like, ADS on this
I want to see this kill. What
motherfucker
you do right
nasty.
here?
Oh, she right behind me.
Pop me in my
I hate
fucking
this,
ass.
though. She don't me like this.
That big ass cartoon character you got. I swear to God.
I swear to God.
One's in our spawn already.
Oh fuck! She's rushing back to the spawn. Ran into the guy at the base of the stairs, living room.
Bruh.
Okay, kill. You got 5?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, now you only got 3.
I'm scared for my life right now.
So you got this, bro.
Ah!
You gotta quit hiding. You worried about that KD.
That was Tommy, though.
Girl.
Tommy got it that time, though. That nigga Tommy. Hey, yo, Tommy, bro.
They said,
Not
they said he
Mr.
was
Tough.
up in the bedroom.
Oh, not with the shotty. That boy hit him with the Elmer Fudd.
I hit him with my grandpa special, nigga.
That boy hit him
Trying
with
to
the
let
Elmer
his bed.
Fudd.
Is it more fun? Oh my.
This stupid as
I'm
hell.
hunting for some wabbits.
Oh shit!
Oh, on the right side window. Bro, that shotgun is so annoying.
Our farm.
Oh my god,
One
bro. Right there, on there. Right there, you look at him. He's on there.
He was on sandbanks. You saw that.
You got to.
My colorblind ass
He's on
didn't see
there.
him.
Right.
Dead.
Jump over right now.
I'm gonna jump over the rail.
I'm gonna say this
Now
once and once only. My titties were soft, so it doesn't count.
Now you a victim. It don't matter.
At least you let us know.
He's
Now, show me.
100% a victim.
Your head is
I don't
bouncing.
believe it unless I see it.
Hey,
Not your
yo,
boob.
kid, come on, my boy.
Your head.
How big? I don't believe it unless I see it.
I could have shot, but that was so much better to just look at you grab her.
Crawling
We're
on
on the
these
same
stairs.
shotgun, dude.
Oh,
The
shit.
kitchen.
There's someone by the window.
2v2.
Fuck. One on the stairs, one in the living room.
Ooh, nasty.
You know I can't even be mad because you questioned. But damn, my
Nasty.
nigga, why you popping me? The fuck?
Nobody popped you. You got killed by the enemy.
I got killed by Nor. This nigga shot me in the back.
He didn't, bro. You got killed by the enemy. I watched it.
No, you didn't.
That's a scam.
That hurt.
And they spawned.
Yo,
yeah,
I'm
he just
freak-
came downstairs.
No,
and
I
left.
know. I know. I was
You're
fucking
right.
Y'all couldn't let
glitching.
me get a kill.
I mean, we trying. Come find me. I'll be on the right side. Sis, shoot me.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. I'll be on the right side. I got you. Over there by the field. You know what I'm saying? With the little gazebo. I'll be right there. Swear to God.
I feel like he's gonna kill me. A Debo to the right, he said. Bro lied to me.
Damn.
Dude, shot. There you are. Oh, good shot. Good enough.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Oh, I hurt my feelings a little bit. I swear to God.
I'm done.
Give me 2 more seconds. I was finna pop your partner.
I don't know, but I gotta be at the gym at 7 o'clock.
Are they like holding hands, yeah?
No spawn.
No.
Upstairs bedroom.
Lagging! Did you not
Oh my
fucking see that?
I don't know. You ADS and it just went bad.
You just start fucking sidestepping.
Andrew. I'm gonna clip it.
By myself. No, don't clip it.
It's a perfect clip.
Yo, I'm
And I post
dead.
it in Discord.
Yo. The bit so I could add it to the other one you sent me.
No,
It's the same exact map. Oh my gosh.
Jigen.
Ah, he's back in the barn, in the loft.
Someone's crawling next to me.
Watching
Oh, in the living room, yo. Went up the stairs. They went up the stairs. Left side. They're in the bedroom. Yep, bedroom. Right there. Let's go.
Good game.
Good game. GG's.
No, hey yo, run that back.
Run that back, I bet. Got you.
Let's bet
Hey yo,
some.
stay
My
in
mom
the same
said to go
lobby.
to
Stay in
sleep.
the same lobby. Stay in the same lobby, bro. Run that shit back.
My mom said it's time to go to sleep.
Yeah, but Mata Uzi though, bro. Fuck what you talking about?
GG's.
Oh yeah.
I'm Marshall. Went from the bottom all the way to the top. Oh, I forgot to turn it.
Hacking? What? You turned your hacks on?
GG's. GG's, look at that.
Alright, GG, yo. I'm gonna take a break.
Okay, 370.
GG.
Where is Bella?
Imagina a Gia, né?
Oi.
Tu log, mo logo. Ragazzi, Aguilas. Lucky Molaga. Oh, good luck. Nisha, it's online. Nisha, don't look to me like that. Cyborg falling. Hey, that didn't I not go black, I'm a lot.
I think lagi with trash talk dala.
Bro, come here, mute like there. Come here, mute kun white bear there. Come on, bro. Hey, that's you. I'm not you, okay? Your brain is your brain. I'm sorry. Every time I found you, man. I see that you know. Alright, maganda. May some drums dito. Tak mo kilit na pa mga araw. Tak na sila. Mo kilit na pa mga araw. Iba kuskus mo dami to. Samnigin.
Last year, to.
Jeg kan da høre noget judgment på mig. Han må police officers i baggrunden. Hey, policeman! Policeman! Ano kumpangan ba nga sa akin? Active lang dahil Jim Tacos ko siya. I'm not like you, okay? King Gary, okay? So, nasa bus lang. Ay, wish ka ba siya hot? Tumgay ka. What the? Kamdi yan, nagkakadas mo nga. Hindi ka nga sweet lang na may gawin. 10 years sweet lang na may gawin na. Alright, Ochi, nigga. Chill the hell out. Some line match room, hingam chang siya, manda samsam. Yeah, right. Sai chim ne cũng entah ada pakai akses klik ni dong. Chim ni entah bang.
Kasaktin. Tapi tak apa. Apa tu? Gumda apa? Post klik tapi.
Oh, ma post ka upload.
We vlog ko.
Tell nam dal balela.
Klik phone jangan.
Ma post klik phone de lagi ya. You're in the wrong dictionary, bro.
Well, because I can.
Hey,
chill, guys.
Fuck, we got please, you.
Hey, dead chill.
Settle prediction and Basam. We're not away there, no problem. Can I have a no? Oh, we're trying, dude. Nice.
Wait. Có mấy? Nếu mà sẽ cái gì là sẽ cái gì bột từ bố rồi.
Taking both toggle.
Good job, good job.
Thank you.
What?
No, that's sideboard.
Come here.
That's Rocky. I got Soggy.
Rocky?
Let's go. Rocky is doing it.
Hindi, hindi yan.
Mấy chiếc xe. Cắt ra thì mấy chiếc xe. Thì có sao bây giờ không rồi. Quá rồi.
Oh! You bitch!
Ôi, creepy.
Ơi! Ui, quỳnh lắm!
Ui!
No!
Shit!
What? Quỳnh lắm!
Sound like it's a lot.
Wow.
Oh, you! It's a scream.
Ay, teka lang, natulad ko. Pandewat. Wala. Ito nhiều yun.
Wait.
Đấy.
Con.
Makanya siapa yang tuntukan?
Whoa, go on.
Scrape 3 kills. Whoa, one in a row.
Yeah.
We gotta look up.
Oh my goodness.
No, there's Cyborg. Oh, he died.
Get the law.
Creepy.
Oh my god.
Cutscene.
Oh my god.
Flaky. Cyborg.
Rip.
Wow. No. Cutscene, really?
Oh, wait. Keeping the tank alive. Gang.
Gang.
Dude, cartoon shit.
Where's that?
Oh.
Where's Cyborg? Go miss fun. Nakita nga
Oh.
Okay then. Pero pala like nakuha man na.
Hey yo. What is sleep? Wait. What the fuck? Come here. Okay lang million, trillion. Million yan.
Wag lang. Ngayon kita raw nito rin. Wait, damn.
Wala.
Takagi. Walang talak sige.
Mega choking bangin. Ni, lupin pa yan pay. Ay, sila spawn mag-do. The fuck? Don't spawn again. Nice, cyborg.
Okay.
Stuck up in the gas, you couldn't die.
Kinapalok siya ko.
Uy,
Hindi nga kamta pa eh.
uy, sulan.
Oh! 4 of them.
Malwat. Prepare.
Nice one, Dad.
Yun po ito. Yes.
You got away to get shit a lot.
Uy, tayo musiko.
Uy, wala.
Let's there.
Ay, sulan. Sige. Sniper niya nga ang binusa ka. Reload. Munta ka, reload. Tulo ko, tweet lang ko.
Yes, yes.
Ba?
Ay,
kala niyo. Kala niyo na, ganun ko.
Dale like, no pues.
Shooting board.
Hey, get off of my phone.
Hả? Ấy.
Tôi có free kill nè anh. Nè thì yêu tao mày chèo chơi mình ngô.
Fuck that shit. Ese ko spawn when tu kung get sa ano.
Ano? Dahil nga bro ka to.
Oh my goodness.
Thì lớp cái gì rồi máu phần.
Tayak pokok.
Sige bud.
Oi.
Ay, kabayo ko. Basta sugay yan, chicken bud.
Wala. Yo, nangukil ka dyan.
Naman siya mo.
Ay, tupoy ka. Tumas na may version ng mga ngayon. Tawag na ruta mo siya. Eh.
Kayo.
Saksaragi. Caca sukian tolong.
Jangan guys. Siapa nganja? Ini jangan.
Chicken pot. Uy, wala. Ay, sila.
Hey.
Oh shit. KOSRAEAN dude.
Caca ka ba? Silok nga. Ay, caca ka.
Uy, wala. Nasi.
Sige na lutaw ko kung ano siya. Ten na. Iway nga judgment ki mga siya mga.
Oh.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Kiye? Sama nga eh.
I'm not gonna like it.
Oh.
Uy, wala. Ito naman ang tingin sila.
Yan lutaw siya mga eh.
Bruh, where's the white salt?
Hả?
White salt. White salt.
White
Uy,
salt.
sino may joke?
Sige yan. No.
The red cap?
White part, white. Tao mo wan.
Hindi ako.
Uy, wala.
Ulan. Okay na ni. Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
Yes.
Alright, we busy with that.
Rồi vậy.
Amo. Ulan. I did not see you.
Alis.
เฮ้ยแต่ประชาชนมาจริงๆเลย
나머지 이게 너
Hả? Ủa quá phất ra gì gì mấy
Ôi mình lát. Cắt được gì luôn.
Mà sao luôn trời.
Darn Buffalo, nej. We would laugh. Ôi áo là snipe chứ nó lâu bê lên là mỏi.
Ako kaya pa yung HDR. HDR loadout suot nga ako kaya. Nasulela miya o HDX din ke.
KOSRAEAN dude.
We would laugh.
Ui. Không biệt chứ.
What the fuck?
Ôi.
Phần Lan.
Get a gun thing.
Han give a bit of loss kuntiga.
Oi?
Ego. We will
Oh my god. Hey, what's this fucking thing? You're the bad kind of dude.
No.
Yes. Ang fat na ulo siya.
Oh, whoa.
가가지고 와.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Bang bang. You say bang bang?
God damn, bro.
Yeah! You saved my ass! Burn that. Oh!
Gekato. Good, that's like
Where weren't you? Kibog na pala ka mo. Eh, pong eh. Yes, kasi ko lang. Glow. Lala. Kinakot kami.
Oh,
Nan. Uy, wala. Yes.
Pero ese es bueno.
It's daddy. Oh no! Miss was. What the?
왼쪽으로 많이 따라 말해. 에스. 왼뒤에.
¿Quién estaba haciendo eso?
있었잖아, 또.
Oh, what the?
Wait.
Fuck is that?
That
Oh,
guy just. What
I'm
the?
freaking black. See?
Is the food bad?
Oh shit, nice. Oye. Wala.
Copy right.
Why you knock me, bro?
Wala.
What
Wala
the
time
fuck? You unlock me.
I'm a time, I'm gonna reload.
No way.
Wala.
No, 50 room there. It's not good, you go. But. It's the fun.
Yan. No.
What the fuck, bro?
What the fuck? That's collab. What's that? Chúa của cái lốt chết. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
No, I didn't see you. Shit.
This motherfucker trying to kill me. I see you, bro. Get out of there, bro.
Oh no.
You suck.
Hold on a minute.
Stop shooting, bro.
Wait if we
Wait, I got to the food in Panama.
Kalalua, I'm gonna start scope Kalalua.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, basigo ko. Oh, whoa.
What the?
Wait, fuck. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck is that? Oh, oh. That kill him, dude. Oh. Oh.
Nope,
Damn
don't
it,
do
that's
that.
mine.
Wala.
Come on. No grenade either. Whew. Wait, tracking down with it.
Let me rebar, dude.
Stop art scoping, Daddy.
Oh, shit.
No, you art scope me again, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, lag. Oh my god.ปืน เฮ้ยมันลากมันลากลงมาเลย
What? You are going down.
Super. Super.
Bang jag vunnit. Toby.
I need to let go.
Men kan du funka? Kan du target? Kaka kykkemai.
Oh. That can crouch.
Why am I crouching? What the fuck?
What kind of gun is that?
Finally. Oh shit.
Behind.
Wait, back to the truck. Cool. Where was that? No.
No, what the fuck?
Brilliant, Jack.
Visst, KOSRAEAN känner sig inte.
Wait.
Hmm?
Uy, wala. Puso ito siya.
Bro, that's an art scope, daddy. Damn. Daddy, damn.
My God. What the fuck?
It's Swordman. Thanks. Wait, I got back.
My board. Oh yeah.
Ehuda.
No.
What man?
Pin mark. Damn, I knew it. Oh, just look. Simulan. Nonsense. Like you're being
Wait, Wagdan.
shit. Yes. Tugugin Jen. Ito pa kayo niya. No. Oh. Shit. Weh. Diok.
Nanti art scope ya itu क्या होता कहिए तो पर.
Wait, the type. We will have. Yeah.
No, why you killing, bro? What the hell?
Oh, whoa.
Mega mother glue.
Oh, hard. Oh, shit.
What the?
Wait.
This one, Smell ya.
Wait, wait. Nope, nope, nope. That. No.
What? Hell no.
No.
Perché con me?
Hey. Oh my god. Shit. Wait, what that? Lightning coach. No. No. What the fuck? Lame? Kotse bang tao? Dito cards.
Please? Alright, alright. So what the fuck?
Great.
What the? We were that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, Cyborg.
Nghe chiếm tay kia một phân.
Oh shit! Damn. What? As if it back. Oh! We what? Cash kill. Nice, nice.
Please.
Oh my god. Wait. Punya. Lajuran kita bopeng. What the fuck? Kung reload nga. Holy trigger.
Visst, det kommer batten på något lite.
Driver, kujisingan dulu deh.
What the fuck you see?
Yok. Oh, nice. Oh. Where's the phone?
What the fuck is that, art school, baby? Come on, bro. Stop art school, man.
I got long footsteps.
Hey, why pistol, man?
Who's pistol?
Nobody is pistol.
Come on.
Where's the key in the art scope? Ah! Useless. Oh! Where? After. Japan pala.
Ooh,
what the fuck was that?
Di. Yalan ki.
Hadi ko, amigo, masih sayang. Oh, like. Oh!
Hindi sa akin nung nabay-scoop siya, lo.
That's what the fuck I call out. What the hell?
Ngarang.
Lagi niya yan. Saan ka slod? Ayun na yung yayang.
That's Shiriri.
Asum zombie. I've been showing that, I automatic promote.
Ready break.
Okay.